Hello everyone, this is a Bristan Renaissance 2021 kitchen mixer tap, and it's leaking, so I wanted to replace the cartridge, which is this one. And this is the replacement I got when I ordered one, and the difference is at the end here, and it appears as if that new one is not going to fit this existing one. And I searched online and didn't find anything, so I explored and found that this section here just comes off, and then this becomes the same as that. So now I can replace this with this new one and then put this back on again. Thank you. Bye.